Hi, I'm Tom Reed. Today's podcast episode is a LinkedIn publication by Dr. Li, CTO of Rotex Technologies, about how Agile senior leaders reshapes rotating machinery manufacturing business. Agile senior leaders in the industrial rotating machinery manufacturing sector need a unique blend of characteristics and skills to effectively reshape their businesses. Here are the key attributes and competencies that are essential for Agile senior leadership. 1. Visionary and strategic thinking. Long-term perspective. Agile senior leaders in industrial manufacturing need to have a clear vision of where the company should be in the future, especially in the context of a sustainable and competitive world. For example, they should anticipate the shift towards more energy-efficient rotating machinery due to environmental regulations and changing customer demands. They look beyond short-term profits and consider the long-term impact of decisions on product lines such as pumps, compressors, fans, motors, and generators. It helps in setting a clear direction and inspiring the workforce to achieve long-term goals. Strategic planning. They are proficient in formulating strategies that align with the overall vision. This includes decisions on market entry, product diversification, and investment in research and development. For instance, a strategic plan might involve partnering with other companies to develop 2-in-1 or even N-in-1 compact rotating machinery to meet the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions. 2. Adaptability and flexibility. Customer centricity. The Agile leaders shall have a strong focus on understanding and meeting customer needs. They ensures that products and services are aligned with market demands, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. An Agile leader should think, learn how their customer will develop technology and product in the concept development stage. Collaborating with customers at a starting of product and service design for their end users is a key to build sustainable business relationship leading to a three-way winning success. Open-mindedness. In a rapidly changing environment, these leaders must be open to new ideas and technologies. They should be receptive to suggestions from employees, customers, and even competitors. For example, when a new material with better heat resistance properties for motors is introduced in the market, an Agile leader would be quick to evaluate its potential use in their products. Ability to pivot. The ability to change course quickly is crucial. If a particular product line of compressors is not performing well in the market due to new competitors or technological obsolescence, the leader should be able to redirect resources towards more promising areas such as the development of advanced fan technologies. They can adjust production schedules, reallocate budgets, and modify marketing strategies with ease, ensuring that the organization can pivot strategies and operations swiftly to stay competitive. 3. Data-driven decision-making. Data literacy. These leaders understand the importance of data and are well-versed in analyzing relevant data. They can make sense of production data, market trends, and customer feedback. For example, by analyzing data from sensors installed in generators during operation, they can predict maintenance needs and optimize product performance. They also know how to use data analytics tools to extract meaningful insights. The data analysis is an example of the competitiveness of the product against what rival can provide, in addition to the data in balance sheet and profit and loss table. Evidence-based decisions. Instead of relying on gut feelings, they base their decisions on data. When deciding whether to expand the production of a particular model of fans, they look at market demand data, cost-benefit analysis, and competitor performance data to make an informed choice. 4. Strong communication skills. Internal communication. They need to communicate effectively with different levels of the organization. This includes sharing the company's vision and strategy with employees in an understandable way. For example, during a company-wide meeting, an Agile leader can use simple diagrams and real-life examples to explain how the new focus on sustainable manufacturing of rotating machinery will benefit both the company and the employees. They also encourage feedback and listen to the concerns of the workforce, creating an open and collaborative culture. External communication. Agile senior leaders are the face of the company in the market. They communicate with customers, suppliers, and partners. When negotiating with suppliers for the timely delivery of high-quality components for pumps, clear and assertive communication is essential to ensure the supply chain runs smoothly. They also communicate the value proposition of their products to customers, highlighting features such as energy efficiency and reliability of rotating machinery. 5. Team building and empowerment. Fostering collaboration. Agile senior leaders build cross-functional teams that work together towards common goals. In the manufacturing of rotating machinery, they bring together engineers, production staff, quality control experts, and sales managers. For example, a team is formed to develop a new line of energy-efficient motors, where each member's expertise is utilized to ensure a successful product launch. Empowering employees, they give employees the autonomy and resources to make decisions and take ownership of their work. This could involve allowing production teams to adjust processes to improve efficiency as long as they meet quality and safety standards. By empowering employees, leaders tap into the creativity and problem-solving abilities of the workforce. 6. Risk management. Identifying risks. They have a keen eye for identifying risks in various aspects of the business, such as technological disruptions, supply chain disruptions, and changes in regulations. For example, they anticipate the impact of new environmental regulations on the manufacturing of compressors and take proactive steps to ensure compliance. Mitigating risks. Once risks are identified, they develop strategies to mitigate them. This could involve diversifying the supplier base to reduce the risk of supply chain disruptions, or investing in research to stay ahead of technological risks. They also have contingency plans in place in case of unforeseen events such as natural disasters or economic downturns that could affect the production and sales of rotating machinery.